Hello everyone, so we're here from this day 7 from this analyze of these games in FIDE Women's Grand Prix Pone 2025. So it means day number 7 from this one, or maybe round number 7. So it means these are the long games within 1 hour and 30 minutes from this chess clock from this one. So it means two analyze of these games here from this one. So it means the first game and also between from this international master in India is Divya Deshmukh versus international master in Mongolia Batuyag Mongoltul. So it means after first game, the next second game is Hampi Conero versus Schuschner from this one. So it means long game 1 hour 30 minutes from this chess clock. So it means these are the round robins from this one. In today's day 7 here, in this part of this video, we have analyzed here of these chess games in this FIDE Women's day 7. So white plays Dashmukh is d4, d5 Batuyag, c4, c6 is called slack defense, and also knight f3. So it means it's called slack defense modern line. So these are the main line here is also slack defense is capture this pawn, capture. So it means slack defense from this one. So it means knight f3 by Deshmukhs here, and also knight f6 by Patkuyag. So if you capture this one, what do you think if you capture these pawns here? E takes c4 here, and also e3. So these are the bishop with the threatening by pawns with the targets by pawns here from this one. So these are examples here. So it means knight f6 by Patkoyaks here, and also e3 without defense by pawns by c4, and also bishop f5, knight c3, e6. So it means e6 by Batkuyag without move by bishop to b4. So it means these are the pinning by king, or maybe with a threat by knights here from this one without diagonals here from this one, and also knight h4 with a threatening by bishop. So it means without targets by bishops here from this one, and also bishop to e4. So it means is none from this booklet. So it means novelty by Batkuyag in these games. So it means these are the old main line here is also simple is bishop to g6. Simple is that these are the good novelties by old main lines. So it means the new novelty is bishop e4 by Batkuyag here, and also f3 with a threat by bishop, bishop g6, and bishop to d2 without neutralized move here, defense by knight, and also bishop to e7 by Batkuyag without ready by castle kingside by Batkuyags here from this one, and also knight takes bishop, pawn takes knight, and also queen c2 without move by Deshmukhs here, or maybe without upcoming by castle queenside by Deshmukh. So it means castle queenside by Deshmukhs here from this one, and also knight bd7, castle queenside by Deshmukh, and also captured bishop takes. So these are the captured here without develops by sympathized by determinations, and also b5 with a threatening by bishop, bishop e2, rook c8, and king force b1 without forced move by Deshmukhs here, and also castle kingside by Batkuyag, and also h4 with the strongest move by Deshmukh without upcoming here without move by h5 here, or maybe h6 here. So h6 without pushes by Deshmukhs here, and also a6. So it means these are a6 is put by bad move by in this Batkuya. So it means doesn't want computer. So the best moves there is knight d5. So it means knight d5 here. If you capture this knight takes d5 and capture this knight. So opening with a threat, or threatening by queens here without devils here. And then decided is also queen to d3. So it means so it means so so it means these are the goods and whites and blacks here. So it means So it means these are the betters here from this one. So back there is a6 by Batkuyag here, and also h5 with a push, so it means these are the strongest move here from this one. And also g5, so it means without push g5 here, and also e4, good move by Deshmuks here, and also c5, and also push d5 by Deshmukh. So it means these are, so it means good precise move by Deshmuks here, and also captured, and also b4. So it means b4 with a threat by, so it means b4 with a threat by knights here. So it means b4 by Patpuyag without targets by knights by Deshmuks here from this one. So the puzzles here. So it means first puzzle, what do you think the thinking from this realized? So it means find brilliant move sacrificed by international master Deshmuks from this India. So while waiting for call for seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here. Congrats for everyone. Is push h6. So it means brilliant move by Deshmukh. Without strongest move, without sacrifice moves here. And decided is push g6 by Batpuya. So for example, in that set, why don't we capture this sacrifice move here on this g takes h6 here, and also rook takes captured pawn. So these are the move by battery without double battery by here by white pieces here. So another this one. So it means the pawn takes. Why don't we pawn takes captured by knights here from this one? So what do you think from this? So it means what do you think from this ones here? And also bishop takes captured pawn. So it means these are slightly better from these whites and blacks here from this one. So back there is g6 by push by Deshmuks here, and also push d6 without sacrifice by Deshmukh, without threat by bishops here, and also bishop takes d6, bishop takes captured, and also bishop e7 without defense, because these are the bishop threat by knights here from this without here. So these one is bishop here. So bishop takes g5 without pinning by queen. So these are the pinning by queens here without movement, threat by knights here from this one. So it means these are the protects defense is bishop to e7 by Batpuyag here, and also bishop takes a6 without threatening by rook. So without targets by rooks here, without develops here from this one, without connecting. And also pawn takes knight, and also decided bishop takes rook, one rook down by Batkuya. So these are the good develops here from this one. And also queen takes bishop, and h7 check without pushes here, and also king g7, queen takes captured, rook e8, and also rook de1 without move here, without develops by determinations, and also queen d8, g4, and also king h8 without forced move by here, so it means without black pieces, and also bishop to h4, so it means without move here, and also king g7 without go back, repeats here, and also g5 without threatening by knights here from this one, and also rook h8. So it means these are rook h8 without threatening by pawns. So pawns here, but without threatening pawns here from this one. So it means the second puzzle. So what do you think the second puzzle? The another finding brilliant move by I am Divya Deshmukh from this one. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Boom! Rook takes e7 captured. Another brilliant move by sacrifice by Divya Deshmukh. So it means without sacrifice here. And also decided queen takes sacrifice move by captured by rooks here. And also pawn takes captured without check. And also knight takes f6. And also bishop to g5. So for example, why don't we capture this bishop takes knight without check here? So it means without threatening by queens, and the first is one is queen takes bishop. We capture this queen to queens, and also king takes queen. So it means without movement here from this one. So back there is bishop g5 and also queen e6 without move here, and also king c1 king c1 here, so without move by force move by Deshmukh, and also queen f5 f4. So it means these are f4 without defense, so it means without queen, without threatening by bishop, without develops here from this one. So it means, so we need defense by f4 by Deshmukh here from this one, and also queen a6, and also a4 without pushes here, ready from this a5 and a6. So these are, this one is a5 to a6 without push, e6 and e7 without promotes here from this one, and also queen c6 without threatening by pawns, and rook h2, queen e6. So it means why don't we capture it? So it means without free pawns, queen takes a4. Oh, without, so it means these are the queen takes a4 here. So it means avoided queen e6 here by Patkuyak, and also a5. Oh my god, without pushes, and also c4, queen takes f6 check, and also accepting by Patkuyak, queen takes bishop takes here from this one. So it means bishop takes f6 check, and also king takes bishop, and a6 without pushes by Deshmukh here from this one, and also king f5 without threatening by pawns by f4, and also the last shot is a7 without, because these are the without upcoming promotes by queen, so these are the doubles. So without doubles here, so it means resigned by the national master Batkuya. So why she resigns? Because if you decided king takes captured only move here, and also promotes by a8 queen. So it means a8 queen. If you rook takes queen, and without continue is one is h8 queen. So it means h8 queen. If you decide to capture this queen, and also rook takes captured, and also have a king a4. So it means without king c2 here, and also king d4, and also rook f8, and also here by f5. So it means f5 here, so it means if you move by b3, so it means captured, so it means captured, and also g5 here. So if you capture this, rook takes captured, so it means rook takes captured here, and also g4, and also check, and also king e3, and also rook takes captured, so it means these are the loses here. So it means lose here from this one. So it means lose by blacks here. So it means fatal here. So it means the score from this one 95.6, the lowest is 89. So the winner from this one is, so it means day 7 is International Master Divya Deshmukh in India. Congratulations. So after first game, the next second game, so it means these are the next game without Grandmaster Hampi Conero versus Grandmaster Zhu Juner. So what do you think the next second game here? Let's see. So the next second games here from this day 7, and also have second game from this between from Grandmaster in India is Hampi Conero versus the Grandmaster in China Zhu Juner from this one. So it means long game 1 hour and 13 minutes from this round robin. In today's In today's day 7, it is part of this video we have analyzed here of these chess games with the second game, day 7. So white plays Conero is d4, knight f6 drew, c4, e6, East Indian defense here, knight f3 is called anti-Nimzo Indian variation from this one. So these are the main line here is also knight c3. So knight c3 are moves here from this one. So it means, so knight f3 by Coneros here, and also b6 by Zhu. So it means these are the move here by bishop to b7 without moves here from this ones here. And also g3 by Conero by moving bishop g2 here without coming castling from this one. And also bishop a6 by Zhu. So it means these are threatening by pawns. So it means these are pawns threatening c4. So these are connecting here from this one. And also defense b3 here. And also bishop b4 check. And also bishop to d2. So it means these are here without upcoming castling by Zhu. Castling kingside here from this one. And also bishop to a7 here backwards. So what do you think if we capture this bishop takes capture check and also knight takes bishop? So realize here slightly better for whites and blacks here from this one. So bishop e7 backwards by Zhu and also knight c3, d5 without connecting here by attacking this pawn and also captured, bishop g2 by Conero, ready from this castling kingside by Coneros here from this one. And also castle kingside by Zhu, castle kingside by Conero, and also knight bd7 here from this Zhu, and also rook c1, rook e8 by Zhu. So it means these are pinning by pawns without moving pinning here from this one. And also bishop f4 is also novelty by Conero from this one. So it means novelty of these games. So these are the old main line here is also rook e1 and also h3. So h3. So h3 by old main lines here from this one. So it means new novelty is bishop f4 by Coneros here and also knight f8 by Zhu. So it means knight f8 by Zhu. So it means moving by 4 knight g6, or maybe here is knight e6. So it means knight e6 by the rows here from this one. And also knight e5, bishop b7 with a light square bishop here, and also rook c2, knight e6 by Zhu. So it means these are connecting here, threatening by bishops here from this one. And also bishop c1 and also c5. So it means c5 here and also e3, captured, and also rook c8 here by the rows here, and also bishop b2, bishop b4 by threatening knights, and also queen d3 by Conero. So these are upcoming by without battery by Coneros here, without batteries here from this one. And also queen e7 and battery rook fc1 by Conero. And also queen f8 by Zhu, knight b5 with the openings ready by rook to rook, and also rook takes captured, rook takes, and also bishop a6 here without threatening by knight, and also a4 defense, bishop d6 without neutralized threatening by knights here, and also queen f5 without defense, and also bishop takes captured, pawn takes captured, and also queen e7. So queen e7 by Zhu, so it means bad move by this one. So the best moves there is bishop takes captured and also queen takes bishop. So it means slightly good whites and blacks here from this one. So back there is queen e7, and also good move is knight c6 by Conero. So it means without threatening by queens. So it neutralized by queens here from this one. And also queen d7, bishop f1, and also rook c8 here from this one. So it means rook c8, and also bishop d3, rook c7, and also h4 by Conero. So these are the determinations here from this one. And also h5 with a stop by pawns without push h5 by white pieces here. And also knight e5. So it means knight e5 bad move. So these are the threatening neutralized by queen. So it means so knight e5 is Conero is bad move by computer engine from this one. So the best moves there is queen f3. So queen f3 by best moves here from this one. So back there is knight e5 and also another good move, bishop takes captured, and also pawn takes, rook takes c2, bishop takes c2, and another good move, knight e4, good move by Zhu. So it means another good move by Zhu here, and also bishop e3. So for example, in accept, why don't we bishop takes knights here, and also pawn takes bishop. So without move by check, so determinations here from this one. So it means if you queen takes pawn from this one. So what do you think? And also queen d1 check if you king g2, and also queen takes pawn. So without threatening by pawns and bishop without the dogs here, and defense by queen e2 without slightly goods for whites and blacks here. So bishop d3 by Conero, and also g6 without threatening queen f3, and also knight 4 c5. So knight 4 c5 here, and also bishop f1, and also d4. So it means another bad move by Zhu. So the best moves there is king force g7 without controls determinations here from this one. So it means without best moves. So it means realize here I think it is best moves here from this one. So back there is d4 without pushes by Zhu, and also b4 by Conero without threatening knights, knight a4. So it means so these are b4 without threatening by knights without controls here. So it means move by knight a4 by Zhu, by threatening by targets by bishop without controls determinations here from this one, and also bishop c1, queen c7 without threatening by bishops here, and also bishop f4 without defense. So it means bad move. So it means another bad move by Conero from this computer. So these are the defense by pawns, or maybe without defense. So it means so bishop f4 is Conero is bad move by computer. So the best moves there is one is computer is one is queen a3. So queen a3 here from this one. So if you move by here, so if you move by knight c3 here from this one, and also decided this one is, what do you think? Oh, f4. So f4. Oh, f4. So it means defense. So it means defense by pawns here from this one. So it means defense here. So it means goods and whites and blacks here from this one. So back there is bishop f4 without defense, and also king g7 marked by X move by Zhu. So the best moves there is knight to c3. So it means without develops here from this one. So it means so back there is king g7, and good move is queen c6 by Conero without queen to queen, and avoided queen d8 by Zhu. So it means so why don't we queen to queen capture here from this one, and also pawn takes queen. So these are examples here from this one. So back there is queen d8 here, and also bishop d2, knight c3 here without valves here, and also another good move, bishop c4 without good precise move by Coneros here. So it means good decisions here, and also knight b1. So it means knight b1 here without threatening by bishop here from this one. So it means bad move by Zhu. So it means that's not one computer. So the best moves there is one computer is queen to e7 defense. You need defense by knights here from this one. Back there is knight b1, and also bishop c1 by Conero, and also queen e7. So it means late move here without late move. So realize late this one move by here by Zhu. And also king f1, knight c3, and also bishop d2. So it means another bad move by Conero. So the best moves there is bishop to b2 without threatening by knights here, without develops here on this one. So bishop d2 by Conero, and queen takes b4. Blunderacious by Zhu. So it means these are lowest evaluation bars. So it means lacking conditions. So it means blunderacious. So the best moves there is knight to d8 without threatening queen. So without develops here from this one. So after blunderatious, queen takes b4. So what do you think the good, great move, precise move by GM Hampi Conero? So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue with that. Start. Thank you so much and congrats for everyone. Bishop takes knight, great move by Conero. So it means good move. And also queen b1 check, and also king g2, queen e4 check, so without queen to queen, and also king h2. So in accept, why don't we in accept queen takes capture, and also knight takes queen. So it means without threatening bishops here, and decided is bishop to b4. So it means slightly put some whites and blacks here. So back there is king h2, and avoided queen e2 by Zhu without threatening by bishop without develops here. And also bishop c4 without neutralized by threatening by queens by Zhu. So it means bishop c4 by Conero, and also queen takes f2 check, and also queen g2 without queen to queen, and also avoided queen f5 by Zhu, and also queen f1 without queen to queen. So Zhu accepted queen takes captured, bishop takes captured, and also king f8 without movement by Zhu here, and also bishop c4. So it means how many? So it means two bishops by Conero here from this one, and one knight only by Zhu. One knight only, one knight only. Singing better here. So it means sing better. And also knight e4 with a threatening by bishops here, and also bishop b4 by check without doubles, and also king e8, king g2, and also f6 without sacrifice, or maybe without defense, and also king f3. So these are king f3 here, so it means without threatening here by knights. So it means the knight here, so it means cannot move here because this one is bishops, and also knight here, so it means knight, so knight cannot move because the knight's here. So it means cannot, so it means knight f2, or maybe here, so it means knight g5. So it means this one is knight d6. So it means without targets by bishops here, or maybe here by kings here from this one. So it means knights cannot move. So here is give up by Zhu. So it means lose. Oh my god. So we think Zhu is a winner from this one. So it means realized by focus here. So it means the winner. So it means Zhu is down by points. So the first points from this one. The winner is Grandmaster Hampi Conero from this one. So it means I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loagi 17, aka Icon Mike 17. Have a good day and keep safe and keep updated with chess updates here from this one. So these are the results from this final result. So it means let's see here from this one. Goodbye.